Lamborghini crushed by pickup truck in Lake Nona? What the fuck?
What? Seen pictures and videos on social media of a pickup truck on top of a Lamborghini with its driver still inside. This happened in a parking lot.
The driver's still inside?
In Lake Nona.
Makes you go, huh? What happened here? West 2's Patrick Perez spoke with that Lambo's owner about this close call. He joins us now live. And Patrick, how's that guy doing?
What the fuck, Patrick? What's going on?
Well, Lindsay, thankfully this guy is doing okay, but he says if it wasn't for the axle of that big pickup truck getting stuck here at the pillar of his windshield, he believes that this story may have had a different ending.
Oh my gosh.
This is not what Ramon Ferrer was expecting would happen while trying to find.
Dude, imagine having a fucking car that costs like $10,000 to fix if you get a scratch on it. It costs like $2,000 to probably replace your brakes, maybe more. And you come outside and you're like, what the fuck? Wait, this person was in his car, right?
Find a parking space outside his gym.
I guess she never saw me, so she just ran through me.
Ramon says he had just moments to react as he saw this pickup truck coming his way.
She's going kind of fast, so I'm literally stopping, reversing.
But within seconds, that truck's right tire was right in front of his eyes.
I jumped out of the car because I saw the wheel was kept on spinning.
He was driving the car.
Like, she still wants to go.
Thankfully, he got out of the car without even a scratch.
The only thing that actually saved me was God, of course, 100%. But
or it may have been the fucking A-pillar, buddy.
But
hey, hey, God bless, Godspeed.
On the windshield. If not, she would have just ran me over completely. It would have been a nightmare. I wouldn't be here.
True. He would have got crushed.
Look at this. The whole ordeal got the attention of a lot of people Wednesday afternoon as this all unfolded in the middle of a busy parking lot on Narcoosee Road in Lake Nona.
Oh, it's because they don't know how to spell orange. That's why people are driving like this.
To see the whole thing, they were taking pictures, videos. It was kind of crazy.
Ramon says his $250,000 Lamborghini is at a body shop to find out exactly what repairs it'll need. Moving forward, he plans to be even...
Did you see his little fucking smirk there? He likes his car, dude. You know he was pissed.
Moving forward, he plans to be even more careful when navigating crowded parking lots.
I don't know how you can miss a whole car. Because, I mean, I'm slammed to the ground.
Yeah, I was about to say, I don't know how you... Okay, both of you guys are black cars. And underneath the ground of the black cars, there's black pavement. And one of the black trucks is way up here. And one of the black cars are way down here. So I could see maybe coming around a corner, but it looks like they were going straight on. I don't know, dude.
This is a Lamborghini, but I mean, still a car. How can you miss a whole car?
True.
And again, thankfully, he is doing okay. I did reach out to the Orlando Police Department to find out if that pickup truck driver was going to be ticketed or anything like that. They told me to submit a public records request, so I do not have that answer for you tonight. Covering Orange County, I'm Patrick Perez, West 2 News.